Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I'm Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel, and if you have been following us you would be used to this track and you know exactly where we're going. Like I say, you know, you'll be used to this road and know exactly where we're going, because Marcel says, you know, I keep saying track each time, so let me cut it out. So we go
cut it out.
Yes, cut it out. Right, so we're heading up Miss Topsy's road this morning again. It would have been exactly a week or so since we would have been up here. We came up here last on Father's Day, and today is Saturday morning, so about a week, and we're gonna be checking on her.
I must get on the back of your foot.
Really?
That same foot there.
This one?
The right foot.
Oh.
I rub off before you kill him.
I can't see him, so me have to
slap.
Because for the time when I take to look for me, probably have a bite. Anyways, oh Lord, a lot of mosquitoes around here, because as soon as we come and open the car door, they just keep rushing into the car, sticking on our skin, biting us, but you know, the work must go on. And guys, please remember to like, share and to subscribe to the channel, so once we post a video update you will be notified. All right, and also I have to use the opportunity to say thank you to 2 donors who, since we would have done Miss Topsy's last update, would have reached out to us, and as a result we're able to purchase some items to bring to Miss Topsy this morning, some well needed items. And we're also bringing her a hot meal this morning. And I have to say thanks to the donors. Bless up to you guys. We are most appreciative. And one donor specifically wanted to assist with some medical expenses for Miss Topsy, because she may need to go to the doctor. So the last time when we went, you know, when we ended the recording and so on, she had changed her mind about going to the doctor. She wanted to wait and see how she felt after that. So the thing is, we would have left and have been trying to get to her on our phone, but we have been unable to do so. So here we are this morning again, you know, just checking in on her.
The smoke.
We see smoke in our kitchen, that means she up and running. And there is Puppy.
Puppy alarm,
Yeah. She knows somebody coming when she hears Puppy start to bark. Wow. It stops saying. Let me go to the sound like she in the kitchen. Miss Topsy?
Go on.
Oh, it's me. I'm Marcel. How you do?
Good morning, Miss Topsy.
Good morning.
You look better this morning, man.
Yes, I'm feeling.
Oh, you feel better?
I'm feeling it in my body.
Oh, so we carry one hot meal. Hold it.
Thank you.
Yes.
Yeah.
So you have smoke in a... Oh, you're cooking already. Oh.
The soup milk.
Yes. You can't put that down like it's hot. Not true.
You want to come round?
We are come round. Oh, Lord. Oh, my God. What were you saying, Miss Topsy?
No, I said, I see me can clean up.
Oh, yes,
but
yes.
I was here when I come back so
But
early.
because so early, don't it?
No, it's so early.
So quick. Because we are calling you and not getting through to you on the phone. You know what I think happened to that phone, Miss Topsy? I think it's not working. Because it's a 2G.
It's not working.
It's a 2G phone. Them shut down.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. You know? Who tell you?
The company radio.
Oh, okay. Okay. So Miss Topsy, we bring your bag and look here. Coming up through the bushes all the...
Junior no want to be the place.
Lord have mercy. All the burr and something on it. But
It's all right. Now all me do, me take them out and swallow.
Yes. So, Miss Topsy, we have 2 donors who would have sent something and were able to buy you some well-needed items, and one of them, they want to help you with some medical expense. So that is why, that was one of the main reasons we're here this morning, and also to check on you because the phone not working.
Yes.
All right, so we have to say thank you to our donors, bless up donors. It's always a pleasure, you know, because you continue to support us and the work that we do, and we are very grateful. So just wishing God's blessing upon you, and may your store basket never be empty.
Yes.
Yes, Miss Topsy.
I thank you very much. And to come to all this woodland where you have been. I don't know how you manage. Oh God. Come me one go to Alberton, but in one week up.
Oh, you can't walk through it, man. It's a lot. It have to brush.
Yes. He said I go spray it tomorrow. So he said.
But we saw him the last time when we left, and we talked to him and tell him that he used to brush the road, and he said he was going to do it.
He not do it yet.
Okay.
He said tomorrow he go do it.
Tomorrow? Okay, all right.
So him say.
Yes, make we see. Make we give him until tomorrow and see.
Sunday, Sunday after me dinner, me not do no whole power.
Yes.
I cook me dinner, or when me used to go to church. Me just go to church, and when me come back, me cook me dinner.
Yes.
And just eat and go lay down.
Yes.
We not directly work with a Baptist.
Yes.
We not work on Sunday.
Sunday you go to church. So like you're not going to church, you tune in on the radio and listen to church service. Okay.
Some wasps fly around there.
Okay, Miss Topsy have a lot of wasps though, you know. Them behind.
They say him a cobweb place.
Oh.
Send them a cobweb. At night him cobweb.
Okay.
Oh, put on your back, man. You are not tired.
No, you're not that heavy.
Oh.
Yes. All right, but I don't want to show you this because you have thermos, Miss Topsy?
No.
Okay, cause
one thing me say me better go buy when we get money.
yes.
No, sir.
All right, so see, as a result of our donors, you were able to get a
one.
thermos.
God bless you. What of people them nice to me.
Yes.
And they don't know me.
Oh my God.
My God. And me did get one big one same here, you know.
Yes.
A junior breaky. Drink all the drinking me wanting to stop.
Yeah.
Drink and come in and me no remember when I do what he hand bounce here.
And it break.
A lot of things they have, you know, he mash up these things.
Yeah.
That are something.
Yeah. So
God has your proof, eh?
no, I was gonna ask if you want to take it out and look on it.
No, me know how it's still. One girlfriend, they did live at Alberton, you know.
Yes.
Did carry, his husband carry out one red one for me. Right now they cover there.
Yes.
Was hand bouncy off a machine. Me know they still.
Yes.
Directly foreign something. And a 2 cover mine did have.
That have 2 as well.
Yes.
Yes.
God bless you. I hope no store basket never empty.
Yes, Miss Topsy.
We can fully after me cook done.
Yes.
And in the morning, when me no feel so good.
Yes.
Me just draw one cup of tea.
Right, yes.
Because me love me tea, you know.
Yes, yes. And that was the idea too, because when you say you were weak last week, persons were calling to say maybe it's because of the diabetes why you feel so low in the mornings. Because of the sugar, yeah, they were saying maybe because of that. So you need to have something to eat.
Yes, my belly, but it didn't want food.
Your belly did want food.
But we don't eat plenty, you know.
Yeah, you eat small amounts.
Every minute or every other hour.
Oh.
So me eat.
Okay.
We can't eat one big thermos, one big something of food. But me we drink the tea.
Okay, good.
God bless you know.
Yes, man.
Oh,
yes, so last and also Miss Topsy, the alcohol. Yes. So
And this man me did tell Junior if he get one for me.
oh yeah?
But me no, you me take this still.
Yes, man, we'll leave them.
Yes.
And
God bless you.
so we buy that one. Somebody said that one good. It's what? Winter green, something like that. Your winter green.
Winter green.
Right, somebody said this is the better one, so we buy that one. And we
This
never.
have something in a pain.
So Miss Topsy, you drink this? You drink Ensure? You know it?
Yeah, but a different buckle used to come in.
Because this one is the one for persons who have sugar. So we buy that type here.
Oh.
Right.
Oh.
So we bought you 6 of them. So it's like a meal. So you know you can, if you feel hungry in the morning and you know prepare not yet, you can have one.
Yeah, we know. We get it of our friend of Albertown.
Yes.
She joined the same thing here too. And she get it and she has to give me one.
Okay.
Over there, we say we have to go ask Doc. If he sell it, but me not directly know where name.
Yes.
So my buckle them come different.
Well, this one is Glycerina. Glycerina. Yeah, but the other one is Ensure. Because everybody just say Ensure. All of them. Yes.
That Ensure.
Is the name of it, the brand.
Oh.
Right, but this one is Glycerina and this one is, you know, persons who have sugar and so on, they normally buy this type.
Okay.
Right.
So we can take it anytime.
Yeah, man, it's just a drink, you know. It's like a meal.
Like this will tell you. It tastes like supplement.
Yes. Yes, man.
Yeah, Miss Donna, give me.
Okay, good.
When
So,
we go used to go look for her. So she have wonder now say, oh, what happened to me?
okay.
So she not see me for. She tell me say me fi move her up in the woodland.
Yes.
Yeah, so far she not see me. See?
Okay, so tell her say you're alright. Because she might just see this video.
She might see.
Yeah, so tell Miss Donna say you're alright.
Because them my cousin them out tired. Them tell me say they see you
Yeah?
pan the video and me and Kitty. Kitty a climb up on the box.
Yes.
That a me cat.
Yes. Oh wow. Yes, man. So so you have 6 of them in here? 6 of these?
Yes, ma'am.
And then we never bring you no eggs last time, so we bring you no 1 dozen, right? And some biscuits.
What a blessing, people.
Yes. So you want to put them down, Miss Topsy?
Yes, ma'am. Put on your put me back there.
You should put it here? Let me rest it right here.
Pan the ground.
Yeah. But remember the eggs in it, okay? So then.
And thank you.
Yeah, give me this. I'll put it down
God
for you.
bless you.
Yes.
There's something where you see me through the so. This is what doctor did give me.
What happened to it? It spoiled?
No, but me no feel to take it. me no love mix up me medicine.
So you throw it away? Oh, that's the one you were showing us last week. Oh.
For him no tell me what's wrong with me. He only give me medicine. So me no take it, me take the pressure pill and the sugar pill.
And you feel better?
Yes.
Thank God. Yes.
A year so I give me the trouble.
Right.
In year so.
Okay. So later in the evening now you can rub it with the alcohol.
Yes.
Yes, man.
God bless you.
Yes, Miss
I
Topsy.
come back so early.
I'm telling you, because you know we always take like a 2 weeks or
Yes.
so. But because when we came last time, you say you never feel well, we wanted to come and see.
And
then,
certain.
yeah, and bring you the items as well.
Yes, because them tell Junior Pandy. Feed them something. So then see me and Kitty and you. Oh my God! See me and you and Kitty climb up on the box. But Kitty sick.
Kitty sick?
Yes, no. I dream like in licking face. We ain't come out.
Yeah? So he was always in the house?
Yes, in the house he stay. He sit down there daytime.
Yeah.
But we don't know if a dog bite him or what.
Okay.
You see how his face mash up?
Oh, your face looks swollen.
What happened, Spotty? You wake?
Yeah.
I never see him through here on what talk.
Facebook self, it's true. Yeah.
So me have to tell those nice people thanks.
Yes, Miss Topsy.
God. So how them good to me so?
I don't know, they just love you and kind to you. God bless people them.
And they know what they want.
Yeah. Well, you know, maybe based on the fact that you say you're not well and so on, and you know, you have the pressure and the sugar, you know, persons just call with different ideas and so on, they just want to help.
Okay.
Yes.
And me never remember when you got me say queer, me no go doctor, so me should have give you back the 200.
No, man. The 2,000. No, that's all right, man. Yes.
And when you got me, I talk about it.
No, because remember we did talk and say, you know, you go watch and see how you feel.
Afterward, now it changed my mind.
Yes, yes.
So me was wonder say if me should have give you back the $1,000. Me say, she gone and me never remember to give her back the money.
No, man, that's all right, Miss Topsy. That's yours.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes, man.
Because them have the thing there out there on them TV. So you see like how no come up here now?
Yes.
Then see.
Okay. Okay.
Watch it.
So they can't say they long to see you because they're seeing you.
Yes.
Yes. They come up here to look for you sometime, or they don't come up? Okay.
They said they're not manage the hill and me live too far up in the woodland. They live out of one little board shop out there.
Okay, okay, yeah. Alright, Miss Topsy, I don't know what you're cooking, but we know your pot burn up, you know, because they...
A soup.
Yeah, cook soup. I remember you have food on the table. The dog won't trouble it?
No, man, how the thing with them.
They're not in trouble it.
Kitty him we climb up when time in hearty. And look.
Kitty hearty. Kitty not hearty this morning at all.
And I after man, I first see come out and
Yeah.
chew you come here.
Yeah.
So here you right.
Yes.
He have sense, you know? Yeah, he use instinct.
Yes. Oh, yes.
And Junior baby. He lift him up this morning and rub his head with alcohol.
Really?
Yes.
What you
They have
say?
liquor in one buckle and
Yeah.
rub his head with it. And wet it with water.
Okay. Yes. All right, Miss Topsy, so we're going to leave.
Yes.
We'll come and see that you're okay. And we thank God that you feel better, because all week we were just wondering. You tried to come during the week, but it was so difficult and it never worked out. But we say absolutely, definitely this morning, we have to come and check on you.
And check on you. Yes.
So we're glad that you're doing much better.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. God, the only problem the food take. You see when it take me in a night,
Yes.
they have to stiff you out, so
Yeah.
stiff out it. But I'm going down here, so
Yes. You
Don't
just
we
have
have to
muscle contraction or something.
she work out.
Yes.
So later now, I was happy with the alcohol. Come in bed already.
Okay.
Every morning they catch me. Head bath.
Yes.
And thank you very much.
You're very welcome, Miss Topsy.
Good Lord bless and keep you. Strength you. Guide you on way
Yes.
going back.
Thank you. Yes,
And
ma'am.
those people who remember me up in this woodland.
Yes.
God bless them.
Yes, Miss Topsy. Absolutely.
And may the good Lord provide for them. Same like how them provide for me.
Yes. All right.
But the greatest thing is to know how them is a great people.
Yes.
Because how them have the feeling to know so well, they going to need the thermos.
Yes.
We talk about it.
Yes, man.
We talk. You know, when it's not even up on table. Anytime we full of water, we put it in my room.
Yes.
Because Juna, me no want Juna go break, go break.
Yes, you have to put it up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so we're happy that we were able to, you know, because we never know that you needed it, and you know, so we have to thank our viewers and subscribers as well, because there are times when we come and we don't think of something, but you know, in talking to you, you're calling and you're giving us different advice, then you know, you equip us as to how we progress. So it was in conversations that we would have had with, you know, different persons, and they say, okay, you know, you could get a thermos and so on. So here we are. And it just turns out that Miss Topsy well needed a thermos, you know. To God be praised.
God bless the hand.
Yes, man.
And always we keep it going.
Yes.
Not me alone, somebody else might in the need like me.
Yes.
And the Savior them supposed to give God thanks and praise to what them the people them provide for them.
Yes, it's true.
Eat and happy in Jesus.
Yes.
Every time I go eat, we say my grace. I say, God bless the hand and sanctify it
Yes.
in Jesus' name. And bless who give me and bless who don't have it to give.
Yes, it's true, Miss Topsy.
Yes.
Yeah.
Can't let him out, you know. I don't let some grow down, I always say.
Yes.
You have a Baptist member them. And the member them send sometimes they send $1,000 come give me, you know.
Yes.
Or we used to show
Offering? Tithes?
yes. And then we send man offering come give me.
Okay, okay.
My brother carry it. A long time me no see him, used to see him one day come up.
Okay.
But inside the hill,
Yes.
and Junior won't brush up the path.
Okay. All right, so where is he now? We went to Bush?
Me don't know.
Oh, okay.
Me don't know. Today is Saturday. Me don't know. For sometime me come a ground.
Okay. All right.
Nice fella.
Yeah. If we see him on the road when we're going out, we just remind him.
Brother.
Our brother? Oh, I'm talking about Junior. If we see Junior.
Oh, Junior gone work.
Oh, him gonna work?
So him say, him a work at Crownland.
Oh.
But him go work for Jim Crumb. Him go work for Jim Crumb.
Oh, so we're not gonna see him then. All right, well, I just have to wait and see if tomorrow he'll just do it, you know?
Cut the bush.
Yes, yes. All right, Miss Topsy, I'll leave you now.
Yes. So you take care.
Yeah, you too, Miss Topsy, and God bless you. Happy you're okay.
Yeah.
I don't know how it's gonna work out, because every time we're gonna have to just come and check on you.
Yes.
Yeah, but you have food stuff from last time. Yeah.
I'll get food.
Yeah, man.
I remember on the Tory and the puppy. And the puppy eat the most. You know a crepe? And he eat the most.
Okay. Well, you look a company.
Yes. So tell God provide
Yeah.
something different.
Yes, man. All right, guys, so we come to see Miss Topsy, and we're thankful that, you know, she's doing much better than the last time when we were here. So we are thanking God for that. And, you know, with that said, thanks again to all our viewers, our subscribers. Blessings to our donors. And this is where we end the video for today. Thanks so much for making it. Likkle, Everyting Jamaican. Blessed love and bye-bye.
And bye-bye. Take care.
Yeah. Well said, Miss Topsy. Well said. Bye, guys.
And tell them it look like them is a mind reader.
They're hearing you. They're gonna see you, so you can say it.
Okay. It look like them a mind reader.
Yes.
You know what, especially for the thermos.
Yes.
Yes. And what me want. Be quite satisfied with what me want.
Oh.
With what for me get it.
Yes.
We not feel no problem. She have say, go Albert Town, go look this and look that.
Yes. Yeah.
We go there almost something else.
Right.
And you know, when time you come back here, When you come back here, we're going to show you.
Yes.
Show you one picture of me. What me did take. One ID, the first ID.
Yes.
If you see it, you wouldn't know see me.
Yes.
But we wouldn't know where to find it now.
Okay. When we come back, so
Yes.
you can look, check around and put it up when you find it.
You would have wondered if somebody different.
Yes. What happened? Fat and okay.
Good.
Yes. Oh wow.
Although when you go up in, but when your mother I go up in her age, when my mother I go up in her age, see now?
Yes.
But me no want fat, so. But you me have the sugar.
Yes. Yeah. All right, Miss Topsy.
Yes, ma'am. So you take care of
Yes, all right. And you too.
Yes.
And remember the pot on the fire.
Yeah, man, water in there.
Okay, okay.
Soup.
Yes.
God bless you. No?
Yes, Miss Topsy. God bless you too.
Yes,
All right.
it to you.
Yeah, man. Okay.
And bless the sinner.
Yeah. All right, guys.
Well,
Bye.
one day we will know them.
Yes, absolutely. You mean the donors? Oh, yes. Yes.
One day.
One day, one day. Oh, wow. Oh, so Miss Topsy, the last time we came, that donor, she said that, you know, hopefully when she comes to Jamaica, she will be able to come and see you. She wants to be able to come and see you when she visits Jamaica. So that's
here,
it. Up here, so yes. You don't think she can come up?
You can't manage that.
She will manage it, man. She will manage it.
Then how my granddaughter, when my granddaughter come up here,
Yes.
and at this Falmouth she live. It's in a bad St. John manage the hill,
Yes.
and in the 2-4, so make me see if me get somewhere further out. And also up here it's there now.
Yes.
A lot of people live up here.
Yes. They moved away.
They move and go try, and some go New Hope.
Yeah. Because it's far.
Eh?
Because it's far up in the hills. Yeah. All right, Miss Topsy. For the last time.
Yes, take care.
All right. Okay. God bless. Bye, everyone. Okay.
And when we will see you again.
Just you will see me, man. We always check on you.
Okay.
Yes. All right.
Alpha.